Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to empty BIC ignite char cloth and charred punkwood. Two different ways, but before we get started, I need to ignite this citronella candle. There we go. I'll put it down here by my legs where the mosquitoes love to feed. You know, I have this war on this t-shirt char cloth and we've about got it used up. Now, it's not as bad as I'm making it seem. If denim char cloth is 100%, this is about 90%. So, pretty simple. Just lay this right in here beside that striker wheel. Strike it off on your palm. I think I was smothering that spark, that's why I had to strike it so many times. And then another good way to do it is to get this lighter on its side. Sort of bend this char cloth up to where it's, you know, getting close to that spark. And then anchor it with one hand, strike it with the other. Hold on. I don't know how long it's been ignited. Same thing with the punkwood. And usually punkwood, you can just hold it right up close to it and ignite it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe. hit the notification bell, and in that drop down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.